My name is Kodimalar, VHM number 407, pursuing MBA in Welltech High Tech. My topic is a study on cost management accounting practice in Venus Home Appliance Private Limited. Introduction about the study. Cost management is the process of planning and controlling the budget of the business. The company needs to apply the effective cost management system to control cost. Moreover, an effective and reasonable cost management system needs to support the top management commitments, the workers' involvement to achieve the organization goal. So the cost management is important for every business. It helps to reduce the going over budget. Two types of cost, direct and indirect cost. Three elements of cost, material, labor, overheads. Four stages of cost, primary, factory, total cost, cost of sales. Advantages of cost management. With the help of management, the management can set a budget and standard for various elements of cost and compare with the actual cost to measure the efficiency. So the efficiency of utilizations, raw material, labor, optimum production of output. Industry profile. A durable goods, also known as hard goods, that is more than 3 years the customers have to use. Consumer durable market, they have two segments. One is consumer electronics, also known as brown goods, that is television, digital camera, all electronic accessories under brown goods. Another one is consumer home appliance, that is white goods, like kitchen items, other household application. In the market year, financial year 2013, the rural area 35% and urban area 65% reached the consumer home appliance. Company profile. Venus Home Appliance Private Limited. Manufacturing of Venus water heater is a 65 years old that has been market leader in the water heater industry. Venus is the leading brand of water heater in India and stands for quality, reliability and performance. The Venus always considered under three items. The vision of the company, to provide the best quality products after the sales service to our customers. This has been the company approach to realize the goal of attaining leadership in the water heater industry. A statement of the problem. Over budget, that is they can't able to accurate the budget allocation. Inaccurate operating cycle, like leakage, wastage, that is a huge difference between input is equal to output. Raw material problem, resource. Lack of management policy on control system. Objective of this study. Primary objective, a study on cost management accounting practice in Venus Home Appliance Private Limited. Secondary objective, ascertainment of cost of each product, process or operating as well as total cost to fixed selling of Venus Home Appliance Private Limited. Identification of Venus Private Limited, profitable and unprofitable product to improve the profitability. To ascertain the marginal cost statement. To analysis material control by using ABC analysis and the interpretation of cost sheet. Scope of the study. Scope of the study, to identify the cost sheet statement, material costing statement, material control requirement of the company and controlling the and managing the inventory level, and also to suggest of improvement in the existing process if necessary. Cost ascertainment, it includes collection and analysis of expenses and measurement of production at different stages of manufacturing. It helps to raw material to purchase, categorizing the fixed volume. To ascertain cost of and proper matching of cost with the revenue of monthly or quarterly statement to reflect the cost and income data identified with the sales of the period. Aids of management decision making, a cost benefit analysis also need to be done. All this can be achieved through a good cost accounting system. Limitation of the study. Some of the data is not given by the company due to the maintain of financial secrecy. The company has been limited factor. It was difficult to analysis various process. The secondary resources limitations, the degree of short about the specific sector or company. Analysis is done by on the basic company given data. The company gives a general data. Review of literature. Marathon and Matta 2007, they said about standard cost control is important. Opinion that for the cost control purpose a budget provide a standard cost. So every company or every process standard cost should be maintained. Kira 2007, they said the goal for every business to make a profit. So if profit increase means automatically cost also increases. So should be a balance. Anthony at 2015 regards the cost control management. It brought the accounting method and managing techniques. It improve the business cost efficiency. Research design used for the study. Analytical research. Analytical research has been used facts or information already available data and analysis those factors to make a critical evaluation of the financial performance. Data collection method. Nature of data. The data collected is secondary in nature. This is due to the nature of analysis, which is called for secondary data. Sources of data like company records and preparing reports. These are under the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cost sheet. These are the sources of data. Tools and techniques for analysis. Marginal cost statement, break-even analysis, profit volume ratio, margin of safety, ABC analysis, that is material control, degree of leverage. Finding the break-even sales 2010 and 2011 is same, and then it started to decline. The highest profit 2013 to 14. The marginal cost statement is very useful to analysis cost sheet. So the margin of safety is always increased last 5 years. The sales also increased. The minimum MOS in 2010 to 11 10 crore, it was increased up to 12 crore. The maximum leverage in 2010 to 11, the financial leverage is minimum 1 to 1.89 times in last 5 years. Operating leverage 6 to 11 times, and it's compared to the last 5 years. The minimum EBT in 1 crore in 2009 to 10, and it was increased 37 crores in 2013. It was a positive indicator. ABC analysis, always 70% of inventory, total inventory, A class items, and 20% of B class, and finally 5% of C class items. Suggestion: it is a beneficial growth of the company if maintain the margin of safety or multi-products. The company can maintain the fixed cost along as some profit to the company. Low financial leverage 2013 to 14 indicates the company must concentrate on fixed cost, involve the usage of asset. To carry on the high risk ABC analysis, if raw materials are not should be proper, there is a need for a long-term training strategy to reduce the cost of the company. Concentrate on sales because it is fluctuation. The company can maintain the BEP and it bring the some benefit to the company. Expenses reduce while maintaining the revenue. Finally, I conclude my topic. The study was done at Venus Home Appliance Private Limited to find out the cost, volume, profitable stability of the company with the help of cost sheet for last 5 years. It helps to the top management take accurate decision making. After extensive analysis, it was found for the company should maintain the fixed cost along with bring the some profit. Total cost of production should be reduced in order to increase the net operating income. Although the margin of safety was found, it was high. The leverage, it indicates the return on investment, a financial asset less than the fund cost. It found that trend project for the expenses of the company, it reduced. The company should focus on improving the cost. Margin is next coming year. Also, it will be benefit of the company. We conclude this analysis. The company or management able to predict the profit and wide range of volumes determined. Very careful. Through the analysis, the manager can easy to take a decision showing in the reports how to utilization of available capacity to the leads of increased profit.